You launched the campaign last week. So, is it working? Without real numbers, you're just guessing. Vyroq turns every cold campaign into a live dashboard the moment it's running. Open any campaign and you'll see it counting in real time. Enrolled, emails sent, and a running send activity chart for the last 30 days, bar by bar. Scroll down and the real story shows up. Replies with your reply rate and opens with your open rate, both tracked automatically on every message that goes out. See something worth adjusting? Click Edit to tweak the sequence mid-flight or open the error log to catch any step that failed to send. Nothing fails silently. Every reply routes straight into your pipeline, so a prospect who engages never gets lost in a spreadsheet. You just follow up, right from the same view. That's cold email running itself, sequenced, tracked, and routed so you spend your time closing, not chasing status. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.